This is my design the page. My design idea is that the web should be clear and convenient so that people can know exactly how to operate at a glance. First, create a new field in DM. Next is the general. Next is the basis page. That's one page, but HTML is a static field. Then change the field name to the this one. Index HTML. After this step, you need to open the page properties window. Here we can indicate the title, background color, and the image of the website. Finally, the web is complete. This is I designed the introduction page. You can see. This is five. This is the five functional. This one is the personal development program. And this is the summer tutoring program. Tutoring program. This page is the overnight adventures program. But I don't know why my picture in here and here is not open. And then this is Valentine enrichment program. And also this is the final one. This is Carry motoring program. That's all. Thank you for your watching.